We're a heavy steel fabrication company, predominantly supporting national defense, and we support the national defense in building the new fleet of aircraft carriers and submarines. And because of the needs of the large volume of welders that we needed, we have gone into partnership with General Dynamics, with Trident Tech, and we've put in a proprietary 9-week welding program with them. That way we can create the pipeline, keep it within the community, and give opportunities to the underemployed and the new graduates of high school that are not destined to go to college.
As far as work experience, I haven't really had any yet. That's why I was looking for this opportunity at W International to get into the workforce. My experience has been really good. It's been really positive. I've enjoyed working with the people that I'm in with right now. I've gotten really good instructions from the instructors, and it moves really fast, and you feel like you get a lot done every single day, and it's very nice.
This program has been so important to me because I think it is an important trade to learn, and I will be able to build my career from this program. I had originally wanted to go get my associates in welding, but because of this program, I no longer have to go in debt in doing so.
Trident is very collaborative. They want to really make sure that they've got the programs in place that are going to employ the individuals here in the Lowcountry. The way that this program benefits us is we feel like through our screening process to select the students, we feel like they are very engaged and they are as invested in starting a career as we are in investing in them. So it's a win-win for both of us, and the need that we have is quite large.
It makes me feel really good about the employer. It really shows that they care about you. I mean, they're literally taking people that haven't had experience in the field and paying for basically their learning experience and being able to provide for their families. So it makes me feel really good about W International.
I just really like to work with my hands, and I've always had a desire to do welding. The instructors are really great because they hold us accountable for our work and they help us when we make mistakes.
We started the non-credit program based on our need, and after research, knowing and understanding that here in the Lowcountry, there is about a 30 percentile of underemployed individuals looking for a career path. There are individuals that are extremely hungry and just lack an opportunity to go and build a long-term career. They are extremely appreciative individuals that they get an opportunity to learn a skill that basically they can use the rest of their life.
I understand what I'm doing is going to be really important, and literally there's lives at stake. Like what I build and what I put down affects other people for years and years to come. So I'm really just happy to develop the skill and really just try my best and work on it and just give the best that I can into it and create a product that's, will last a lifetime.
Welding is absolutely a very prosperous career because you can take your career into about 6 to 8 different paths. Basically, you don't have limitations.
I think this program is going to impact my career in a way where I can basically have a lifelong career and stable income for the rest of my life.
For any employer that has a large need and they are unable to find the individuals to bring into their company, you have to look outside the box and become part of your own solution. You've got to sit down with the school system, explain to them what the opportunities are, explain to them what the needs are, explain to them what support you can provide to get it kicked off, and Trident Tech has been very collaborative with that.